Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set visibility for all your TikTok videos to friends or followers only. So we are in TikTok profile. Now you see multiple videos we have. If you change privacy setting for each video one by one, then it will take more time. So now we are going to make all videos to friends or followers only. Now you see three lines. So click on it, and then you see setting and privacy. So again click on it. Now you see activity center. Again click on it, and then you see manage post visibility option. So again click on it. So we are going to set all videos to friends or followers. So we have videos. Now you see everyone visibility. Now select all, and then click on next. Now you see friends. Now select and then click on update. Now you see loading, and then you see visibility updated to friends for 5 videos. Now you see everyone changed to friends in videos. So in this way you can set all your videos to friends or followers only in TikTok. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.